Today was a lovely day. I can't believe we bought so many things today. I know, right? Wow. Let's show you some of the things we bought. Some bites. Always a good snack.
Tuna, so that we can stay healthy.
We also bought some free-range eggs because free-range eggs are yummy and free-range eggs are good for breakfast.
And we got some Milo because it's super cold in the winter and we could have some for breakfast.
We also decided to have some bananas because it's good to stay healthy.
I chose these. These are my favorite snack.
I also
Messy
like
monkeys.
I also like messy monkeys. They're yummy. Here's some potato gems, a good snack for lunch.
And we got some bolognese for dinner, and these are really tasty.
Yeah, the sauce is really nice.
I'll put all the snacks away.
Yeah, let's start. Let me put these potato gems in the counter. I'm going to start heating up the oven because the oven takes a really long time to heat up. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, what's this? It's not potato gems. It's a Troll's egg surprise. Do you like trolls?
Yes.
Let's open it. And here's Poppy, the main character of the Trolls. I wonder what's gonna be inside. Wow, what's this? It's the Troll's hairband. It's pretty. I also got some jelly beans. I like jelly beans. Some stickers. Stickers are always useful. They're good decorations. Here's a flyer. All the things you can collect.
I'll go heat up the Milo since it's getting cold.
Yeah, you can do that. Good idea.
Hey, this is not Milo. Ooh, a Kinder Surprise. Let me just put this here. Now I'm gonna open it. Yum, chocolate.
I like chocolate too.
Ugh. Oh, there you go. That just cracked a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to crack this open. Ooh, what's this? I think it's a mermaid. Oh yes, it's pretty. It's a mermaid. I think so. Let's take it out the plastic bag and let's put it together. So this is the mermaid. She has pretty purple hair. This is her cool hairbrush. I thought it was her stand.
Cute. That looks really cute. Hope you enjoy playing with it. I really like my clip. It's really pretty. Next, I'm going to put the tuna. Why not put it over here? There's some storage in here. I like tuna. Do you?
Yeah, I love it. Beep, beep, beep.
What should I do now? Ooh, let's put these bolognese sauce in the fridge. What's this? Another Kinder Surprise? Let's get it out. Looks like it's cold. Ooh,
what are you gonna get this
I
time?
hope I get something good like you.
You better clean the rubbish.
Oof. Here's a surprise. What did I get? What's this? Huh? This looks weird. Hey, what's this? Whoa, it's a flower! I'm gonna see how you can put it together. Looks like people are playing with it. Oh, it was a spinner. Let's try it. Whoa, it spins well. I like it how it's a flower.
I think I should wash my hands.
Good idea.
Hey, why is the water not here? Let me check it down here. Ooh. Ooh.
What's that?
Another surprise.
Wow, cool. I wonder what it'll be this time. Looks like a big one too.
I know. Okay, so let's sit down and open it. So this says it's a Tsum Tsum. So let's open it, Tsum Tsum.
This is exciting.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Hey, which one did you get?
So this is the checklist.
Looks like there's a coloring on the inside.
Ooh,
You got Olaf!
This is so cool. I like Olaf. So I got Olaf the snowman. He's
Cute.
so cute.
That looks like a new plushie for us.
Yeah, let's open this up. Ooh, these are a lot of Tsum Tsums to get. So let's open this. It's a big drawing. There's so many Olafs.
Hey, that's a good coloring. I
Yeah.
think that would be good for coloring competitions. Okay, it's my turn. Anyways, I'm not going to use the potato gems anymore because it's pretty surprising, you know, that I'm not hungry anymore. So I'm going to put them in here. Wonder what... Oh, it's another surprise! I think it's another Tsum Tsum one.
Yeah, I got one of those as well.
Yeah,
I think you'll get a different one.
probably. I don't want to be getting a duplicate. Okay. So here's how it looks like. Cool. Let's open it. I got Mickey Mouse! Yay! He's like the main character of Disney.
Is it?
Okay, did it. Yay! I'm so happy I got Mickey Mouse. He's so cute.
Like my Olaf. See? They both have very little rash stuff.
Now I know it. There's a coloring on the inside.
I bet there's going to be a lot of Mickeys. Yep.
Yep. I
Oh.
like the big one.
There's also Mickey's girlfriend.
Yeah. These are so cute.
I know. I put mine on the sink.
There's still more to go.
Yeah, I'm going to put
You can
eggs
put them in.
and the bananas. Hey, do you want to put the bananas in?
Yeah, sure. I'll put them over here. Here. You could open that one.
Another surprise.
This is a surprising day.
Yeah. Ooh, the eggs fell. And there's an egg inside.
That's funny and strange too. I'll close it.
Okay, so let's open it. let's unzip. Here it is.
It looks like it's a Peppa Pig one. I like Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Well, I liked it when I was little. I still kind of like it. It's funny. Who's your favorite character in Peppa Pig?
Oh, Grandma.
Grandma Pig. Oh, I kind of like her too.
Ooh, a yellow egg.
I like the color yellow.
Ooh, I also got some jelly beans. I'll snack on those later. And I got a Peppa Pig spinner.
Hey, I think I have the Canny Cat spinner.
Oh, so this will go on mine.
I think it's supposed to go in pencils.
Okay. And then now I know there's going to be stickers. So here's Peppa and Candy Cat. And this is what you can get in the Peppa Pig one.
It kind of looks like the Trolls one. Because
Yeah.
the Trolls one has that. Now, I think that's all the surprises. But now we're going to show you everything we got. Would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure. So first, I'm going to show you guys my mermaid I got.
It's really cute.
Yeah.
And I like how it has the hair that you can brush. It looks like a shaver.
She's going to lie on here. Your turn.
Next, I got the Trolls hair clip. These two, I think, are sisters. I think their names are Shauna and Shane. They're hairdressers.
And my next one was this Peppa Pig spinner. It's very cool.
Next, I have this flower top spinner. It spins really fast. Your turn.
And my last one is Olaf the Toon Toon. I was so excited to get those.
Were you hoping for Olaf?
Yes.
My last surprise is Mickey Mouse. He's the main character in Disney, so I'm very happy I got him. I think it's pretty rare to get these, Mickey Mouse. So that's all the things we got, and today was very surprising too. So I hope you guys have an exciting day today too. And also please comment down below whose Toon Toon you like better.
If you like mine better, please say Barbie #1.
And if you like mine better, just say Vanessa. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And remember, I'm gonna think, how many likes do you want this video to get?
About to 1,000.
1,000, that is 1,000 likes. And like I said before, have a wonderful, surprising day. Bye.